Come with me, let's ride the plane together. 我们一起坐飞机。我们一起坐飞机。飞机，飞机 literally means flying machine. 飞机 airplane. 飞机，飞机。I actually really like 坐飞机。坐 means to sit. 坐飞机 meaning ride on a plane. 坐飞机。This is my favorite moment when 飞机起飞. It's very exciting. 飞机起飞，起飞，飞。飞机起飞 into the 蓝天 blue sky 蓝天，蓝天。Once in the air, you're gonna see a lot of 云 all over the place. 白云 white cloud 白云，云。And look, you can see a lot of 雪 on the ground. 白雪 white snow 白雪。Hey, look closely. The 雪 has a shape of a heart. The shape of 心，心。And last but not least at all is the 太阳，太阳，太阳。Well, thank you for taking this journey with me.